Jennifer here with NatureSolve, back out at our cornfields where we had applied our microbes, our soil mix from NatureSolve, our Biochar Now carbon from Southwest Virginia Biochar, and today I've taken into 2 of the 3 rows, I've added some of our compost. Now this compost on the left came out of the eco tube, and the compost on the right is a static pile, and then I've left 1 row. If you remember, these were some pretty sickly rows. We kind of took over the ones that weren't doing great. So our control's got a little handicap over there, but I also only went in just a little bit. So I only put 6 plants on this side. I think there's 8 on the other 2, 4, 6, 8 on the other side, but in the same distance. And then after this, we've got apples for apples here. Our control is a little short, but we're also working on something out here called the Azotobacter fungus. I might be saying that wrong, but we're looking to propagate it using the NatureSolve soil mix in combination with this excellent carbon in these rows. So it just rained. I came out to mix it up a little bit and then add some of the compost to add another dimension. Now these compost materials are quite simple, but they do have carbon and NatureSolve in them. So they do have the microbes, they do have that beautiful carbon structure, and we believe that that will give the desired fungus a wonderful space to live in and to feed on. And so we're going to look to be a continuous food source out here in the cornfields by partnering up the microbes and the carbon. It's looking pretty great. We did spray some of these fields that were not doing that great as well. They got planted kind of late, but they are looking good. And next to the neighbors, these were the ones that were planted much earlier here on the right, and we are starting to catch up. So looking much better. And after the rain, we're also going to take a look at how long our soil stays moist, because infiltration rates when you've got the microbes are no joke. And also, if you notice how well these plants are doing in spite of having the grasses and the other weeds in here, whereas on the other side, different methods are being used. And so we are also looking to show that when you have stable root structures with a really good food source, good microbiological activity, you don't need a lot of this other labor. You don't need a lot of these other materials, which is a good thing, because we just got news that it's going to be a little bit harder to get phosphorus as well. So we're here to help out the farmers, help out our country, and keep our food supply coming from nature where it belongs. I'm Jennifer Lynn. Thank you for following along. Keep watching for what happens out here in this beautiful, beautiful field and untreated. Also in the shade right now. So thank you for following along. Hit subscribe. We have all kinds of great stuff going on in soil, water, land remediation, composting. I'd love to hear your feedback. Send me any questions, messages, and thanks to those who have been reaching out. It's been a fantastic few weeks, and we're about to hit the road and head on to the next site, which I'm not going to tell you what it is. So have a good day, all.